Hey, there's something strange over there. Come on, let's take a look. Dragon's breath! Is that where the power's coming from? Great, let's smash it! Phew, I'm tired. But at least this way we've helped Jean out. In the past, we were at least able to defend the city and keep it safe. This, of course, is mostly thanks to Jean. But now with Storm Terror directly attacking the city itself, the winds change. So too should our tactics. It's what Lisa likes to say. Speaking of which, the 4 winds we were discussing earlier, if you want to learn more about our history, you can ask Lisa. I'm not saying I don't know our history. It's just, I mean, a librarian is supposed to be more knowledgeable than an outrider.
Is this an answer from this world? Wind blade! With the wind!
No escape! Opening a chest is like unwrapping a gift. That's more like it. Huh. Just what is that growing on that slime's head? Wind blade! A reward on the road.
You've arrived. Come closer. Can you smell that? Something must have happened in the temple. I imagine there will be slime. Oh yes, it is going to be lively. As bustling as it may be, no, I can't imagine it will be dangerous at all. It's a pity that the Temple of the Wolf has been disturbed by such. Let's head in. No one makes offerings to the Four Winds anymore. We need to clear out the temples. Let me show you how the Knights of Favonius conquer our adversaries. If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait, how do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this for others. Freeze! Dodge this! Ha! Ah! 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 Cool it! Ah! Ah! Traveler, unless I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence.
Dodge this! Freeze! Ha! Cool it!
Ah, finally, we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up. Dodge this! Don't push your luck!
Water! We can use this to put out fire.
Good idea. That's some keen observation. We should get Jean to give you a title and make you a knight. Don't get frostbite. Ah! Dodge this! Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the 4 winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
Seems probable. Let's deal with it. Bravo! What a performance. You are, to my surprise, a well-trained knight. The battles you just fought were sights to behold. I see you already have the knightly virtue of modesty. Stories of your heroic deeds to save Mondstadt from destruction shall be known throughout the city of Free. Please do visit me at our headquarters when you have the I also know a lovely tavern, if that's more. Quite rewarding, no?
We've seized another temple from Storm Terror's grasp.
I can take care of the rest here. You go take care of other things while I'm at it.
See you later then, bye-bye.
There's no way Hilly Turtles organize an ambush like this themselves. Not with their limited mental capacity. Thus you were behind this.
Knights of Favonius, always so inefficient.
Agree to disagree, but your involvement in this just made things a whole lot more interesting. Kaya, Knight of Favonius. Please allow me to join you on your journey. Dodge this! Ha! 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 Cool it! Ha! Ha! Don't push your luck.
Wind blade! Huh? Is this an answer from this world? Wind blade! With the wind! Yeah!
Dodge this! Cool it! What's the hurry?
Hey, cutie. You're going to help me out, too? How kind of you. Don't hesitate to come to me if you need anything. Good question. Basically, things other than that which require brawn or brains.
So, what does that leave?
Hey, cutie. You're going to help me out, too? How kind of you. Don't hesitate to come to me if you need any... Good question. Basically...
So, what is that?
Outrider Amber, reporting.
I guess I could give this a go. Come a little closer. I knew it. There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able to float across?
Can't do much even if she does.
Good point. We'd better start looking for a way to get up there then. Let's ride this wind current, shall we? Leave it to me. Here. Yep. Ha! It's an electro monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties. Yep. Ha! Geek. Here. Ha! He. Yep. Here. Ha. Hua. He. Geek. Ha. Ha. He. Hua. Yep. Come a little closer. He. Here. Ha. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Oh, so sorry.
Freeze!
Go, go, Baron Bunny! No one escapes my sights! Hey!
Come a little closer. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. When it comes to wet enemies, I've got them covered. Oh, another wind current. Let's ride it up from here. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Dodge that! Don't push your luck! Freeze! Don't push your luck! Dodge this!
Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents. The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking than love at first sight.
Freeze!
Oh, you want to know about this gem? You're kidding. You're seriously asking? This is a vision. It's used by the Chosen to draw on elemental powers. In terms of mysticism, I suppose you could call it a magical lightning rod. What? You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly churl with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, hilly churls aren't exactly known for their smarts. And you'd more or less qualify to be a magister's apprentice. Break it, and we can head home and relax.
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things. Let's head back to the statue of...
Dragon of the East, Lion of the South, Wolf of the North, Falcon of the West. They are the four winds of Mondstadt. The Dragon of the East, Storm Terror. Though most in Mondstadt seem to have forgotten that in all this. So now you know why Dvalin is only able to channel 3 of the four winds' power. Because it has been consuming itself from the beginning. Because of hatred, I presume.
Hatred?
Hatred for Mondstadt. Hatred drove it to become something more powerful than the wind itself.
But why would one of the four winds hate the city it was supposed to protect?
As a child of Mondstadt, it's something that's really hard to say aloud. Here, take this. It's a very old story from more than a century ago.
Well, you should come with me. Paimon will tell you about the rest later.
Hi, Dor. Don't worry, darling. I'll take very good care of you. So...
It's finally done. Well, all that lay, flow, and elemental line stuff Lisa was going on about should hopefully be back to normal. Want to go back and see how the knights are doing? But if you got anything more interesting to do, Paimon can come too. By the way, we obtained another Animalculus in one of the Four Winds temples, right? We might come across more of them in the future, so...
Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
is it?
Forget it.
Should we tell him?
you. Let's go and see what she wants.
Welcome to the Adventurers Guild. Actually, I have had my eye on you for a long time.
You've had your eye on him, eh? Has she been causing some mischief?
Oh, that is not what I meant at all. Being on the lookout, when I look at you, I see one with the potential to rival the great adventurers of legends.
Paimon sees it too. Paimon always feels safe adventuring with him.
Nevertheless, to the adventurer, you must accumulate adventurer experience to increase your adventure rank. Time is of the essence.
Wait, are you
Do not worry. In short, there are Basically, here is a new member's guild. Without further ado, please allow. Here is your adventurer handbook. A new member. It has a and it is also. Oh, sometimes when this happens, they are simple, but that will come later. That will do for add Ash.
Ooh. Paimon can smell fisherman's toast. The aroma is coming from Good Hunter. A thick slab topped with a generous. Paimon's made. It's on you. It's so delicious. Good Hunter's fisherman's toast is the best. This might surprise you, but you can try cooking it yourself. Can your cooking skills surpass that of Good Hunter? Why, don't you let me down.
Darling, it's nearly time for afternoon tea. Why not keep me Let's spark. You blit. Come, urine. Surrender and I'll be gentle. Today's no good for going out. Did I say that yesterday as well?
Another target tracked down by Outrider Amber.
You come a little closer.
It's a statue of the Seven! Let's make an offering and see if the gods respond. Can you feel the blessings of the Seven? In Mondstadt, people call them animalculi. They can be fitted into the statue's eyes.